I'm on my phone. Claude, you want a treat?
And your barn cat?
One is a white barn cat, and the other one's like a it's like a sable. But they're both total barn cats. Do you want a treat? Don't you want a treat?
I really don't give a shit what they do. You know, they've all done me.
That good? Yeah? Yeah. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. You're very... Meow, meow, meow. You're very cute. Meow, meow, meow. You're very smart, Claude. Meow, meow, meow. You say meow, meow, meow?
I didn't know you had any.
You're too much. You want a treat?
I know. He's feeding this drink down there.
You're a good boy. Is that good? Yeah?
He's got a glass.
Can you say meow, meow, meow?
Did you see that? Bobby
Meow, meow, meow.
we were at the bar and people were coming up and they're like, wow, wow. And the people behind us are like,
Hey, everybody who's watching, this is Claude.
so big.
Claude is a hawk-head parrot, and he's 9 years old, and he's an absolute trip. Yes. He's friends with Sterling Moss. Excuse me, Sir Sterling Moss. And he's friends with Arnold Schwarzenegger. And he has a Facebook page. Claude the Hawkhead. Yes. Can you say hi? Yes? Meow, meow, meow. You're very sweet. Say goodnight. Good night.